How to fix Elevenlabs unusual activity detected. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs. So first, you need to go ahead and open the Elevenlabs and log into your account. Try generating a voice. And if you see the error, here's how you can fix it. Now click on the three dots in the Elevenlabs and go to its settings. Now find Cache and Cookies and click on Clear Cookies option. Next, go to the third-party cookies and select all site data and permissions. Search for Elevenlabs and copy the name and paste it into the search field. Now open a new tab and delete the cookies for Elevenlabs. After deleting the cookies, refresh the page and see if the problem is fixed. If it's still not working, check your internet connection and refresh the page again, and that should definitely help you fix the problem. So that's it for this video. This is how you can fix the unusual activity detected on Elevenlabs. So if you found this guide useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.